Good morning, dear colleagues. In this video, we will see quickly how we can evaluate internship on Moodle. This is opened in Google Chrome browser. You see our Moodle page is opened and I have logged in as a regular faculty user. So kindly go into my courses. In my courses, you will find the internship for your department. Okay, for example, internship 2024-25 chemical. This is for CSE. So I'll go in CSE. Then you are supposed to go in week wise. Assignments are there. Okay. So click the first week. Scroll down. Here you will see in grading summary visible groups all participants. Here you are supposed to click and select your initials. So I will select my initials and then I see how many students have submitted the assignments which are in my project group. So here if I see 7 participants are there, 5 students have submitted, 2 students have submitted the assignments are in draft and needs grading. Here since the assignments are already evaluated, you see 0. If the assignments are supposed to be evaluated once again, you can click here. So click on view all submissions and you will see only those students in your project group. Then click on grade. Once you click on grade, you will see this. So if you don't see the toolbar here, kindly go to uh, Chrome settings and reduce the zoom size. You will see a toolbar here. You can click the stamps here. Okay, here you will see a tick mark. You can click here and you will be able to put a tick mark. Similarly, you can go to next page and then similarly you can check the assignments and give grades out of 100. If you are supposed to give any feedback to the students, you can write here. For example, I'll write a sample feedback, good, and then click on save and show next. So this will load the next assignment, next thing for grading. You can still continue evaluating. Whatever grading you have done, once you finish this, you can click here and here you will see the summary of what you have graded. If any feedbacks are given to the students, you can see here. So these are the feedbacks which are provided. So this is a quick video on how you can grade the internship submissions which the students have given. Thank you for watching. Signing off.